Are you ready to discover some of the most exciting and practical car and DIY gadgets that can make your life easier, safer, and more efficient? Today, I've got 7 amazing products that are perfect for car owners, home projects, and anyone who loves clever tools. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7, ZSRA Brake Lock. This heavy-duty car anti-theft device is built to keep your vehicle safe. Made of high-quality aluminum alloy, it's strong enough to resist cutting, sawing, or hammering. It easily secures your brake or clutch pedal, preventing thieves from even starting your car. The lock weighs 3.8 pounds, has a special lock cylinder that resists tampering, and comes with 3 keys for security. Best part? Installation is fast and simple. You can lock it with one hand and one foot. No hassle. Number 6, Lucullan Wheel Brush. Keeping your car's wheels shiny and spotless has never been easier. This long rim and tire detailing brush is designed with a soft but durable bristle head, perfect for cleaning spokes, rims, and hubcaps. The handle is lightweight plastic for easy grip, and at over 42 centimeters long, it can reach deep into tight spaces. Whether for your car or motorcycle, this cleaning brush makes detailing effortless and satisfying. Number 5, Steering Wheel Lock. If you want another layer of protection for your vehicle, this steel rope steering wheel and seat belt lock is a fantastic choice. It connects your wheel to your seat belt buckle, creating a visible and reliable theft deterrent. It's universal, lightweight, and installs in seconds. You can even use it to secure your handbag to the seat when leaving your car, making it multifunctional. With 3 keys included, it's both practical and protective. Number 4, Dual Lens Borescope. For car inspections and DIY maintenance, this 1080p articulating endoscope is a lifesaver. With a 4.3-inch screen, 210-degree rotation, and dual lenses, you can easily check inside engines, pipes, or hard-to-reach areas. The soft wire design makes navigation simple, while the HD display ensures crystal-clear viewing. Whether you're an auto mechanic or just want to see what's happening behind the scenes, this Borescope makes it possible. Number 3, Thermal Weed Burner. Say goodbye to back-breaking weeding with this 2,000-watt electric hot air weed killer. It reaches up to 650 degrees Celsius to eliminate weeds quickly between paving stones, gardens, or driveways. Unlike gas burners, it's powered by electricity, safer, more eco-friendly, and no toxic emissions. The ergonomic handle and detachable design make it easy to use and store. Plus, the long nozzle gives concentrated heat for fast, effective results. Number 2, Wire Stripping Tool. Electricians and DIYers will love this drill attachment wire stripping and twisting tool. Made of alloy steel and heat-treated for extra durability, it's built to last. Just attach it to your drill and strip wires quickly, saving time and effort. Compact, portable, and efficient, it's ideal for different wire gauges and a must-have in any electrical toolkit. Number 1, Shape Contour Gauge. Finally, for woodworking, flooring, or DIY projects, the Contour Gauge Duplicator is an absolute gem. Available in multiple sizes, it perfectly copies the profile of irregular shapes like pipes, frames, or molding. Just press it against the object, trace the shape, and cut. It's that easy. Made of durable ABS plastic with clear markings, it's accurate, tough, and extremely useful for carpentry, tiling, and home improvement projects. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.